We are actually at the Safari Zoo. If you don't know that, I just said it, it's like a zoo. And we are going to be having a sleepover. So let's get right to the video.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
Hey guys, we are back in the tent. We just got back from the campfire and we ate some s'mores.
They were good. You didn't
Yeah.
eat no s'mores.
Yeah, I did.
Mm-mm.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah. I did. And I'm so excited when we wake up and see the giraffes. And see the elephants. And baby tigers. And baby tigers.
Which is tomorrow. Hey guys, it's morning at the San Diego Safari Park. Yes, we stayed overnight. Our tent is right over there. It's right there. they have taken our stuff away. No, but we're gonna go back to the park. We're gonna go do some stuff with our tour guide Steve, and I'll see you then. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching our video clips about Roar and Snort. It was super fun to make. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.
The struggle is real for short people because they can't reach zippers.
Look at